Hi, this is Brian Jobe, technical trainer for Parts Now, bringing you another Parts Now tech tip. Well, today I have a very large machine, hardly fits in the picture with me being a large guy. This is the LaserJet Enterprise M806 by Hewlett Packard. It is the workhorse machine, 55 pages a minute, designed to do lots and lots of pages. You can order it with the 2,000 sheet feeder assembly, 3,000 sheet stacker, duplex units. There's all sorts of accessories available for this machine. This machine replaced the 9000 9050 series. When you actually get inside it, you'll notice that there's a lot of similar parts, very similar design, even though most of the parts aren't interchangeable. But today, what I wanted to talk about was the pickup assembly. So you go out in the field, you have a machine that's giving you some feed problems, maybe a tray's not lifting, it's jamming, you change the rollers, that doesn't fix it. HP designed this machine so that you can actually hot swap the whole pickup assembly in the field. Same as the 9000, although they're not interchangeable parts. This machine, you can change your whole pickup assembly, which includes your lifter drive assembly, your pickup drive assembly, your feed drive assembly, all those motors. Everything's all inclusive in that. So today we're going to tear it down. So let's dig into it. First thing we want to do is let's pull the trays out. Okay, once you have the trays out, there's one cover just right here on the side. Let's get in a little closer here so you can see. All right. You got one cover, two screws. And this cover comes off. Okay. All right, now we have a couple of rails, your tray rails right here. There's going to be 4 screws in those. 2 for each rail. All right. Once those are out, rails just slide out. Now it doesn't matter what order they go back in because they're identical rails. Okay, once the rails are out, you're going to turn around to the back here. Now I went ahead and pulled this back off. There's 9 screws holding the whole back off. But just for the sake of the video, I did a little bit of work ahead of time here. Okay, you're going to have 5 connectors you're looking for. First of all, you need to get this cover off. You got a release tab up here at the top. If you can see that, right here at the top. Put your finger in there, release that, and pull up. You should be able to get that whole cover off, okay? That gives you a little more room to work here. Now, on the wiring, you have this wiring harness. It's routed right through here. Okay, there's 2 connectors. 1, 2, all right? Pull those out, unroute the wires. Okay, you have 1 connector that'll be right here. I'm going to disconnect that one underneath it on the other side, and then you have 1 wire up here that's plugged in right here. So you disconnect all those. 5 wires, 5 connectors, and you'll turn around here and open your side door. With those wires connected, all you have to do is disconnect your little holder right here, and then you're going to lift up on the door. I'm going to lift up and wiggle around, and the whole thing's going to come loose, just like that. Okay? Now, set this aside. Okay. From there, you're looking at the pickup assembly right here. This is the whole pickup assembly. This little plastic guy just to come off at the bottom. Okay, there's 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. I went ahead and took these out. Once the screws are out, the cover comes off. Okay, now from here you have 4 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now be ready. Once all these 4 screws are out, this whole pickup assembly is going to come loose. You may have to open this front door slightly to get to the screw. Okay, we got our 4 screws out. Now you have your registration guide right up here at the top with the little green handle. Press down on that registration handle, pull out, and it'll spring up. Okay? Once that's out of the way, you're going to take your wires. You see your wires right over here. Not these up at the top. Those you don't have to worry about. But these here, we're going to unroute. That was the lower cabling that we undid earlier. Okay? Once that's free, take the handle right here, pull out, and there's your whole pickup assembly. Okay? Now if you look at it close, you have all your motors right here. You got your lift or drive motors, you got your feed motors, you have your paper size sensing switches over here on the side, all your pickup rollers. It's going to come as this one complete assembly. That's a part number RM1-9745, and you can order that through partsnow.com. It'll come as a complete unit. You just reinstall, reroute your wires, plug everything back in, and then you have a machine back up and running in the field, ready to go. So easy tip right here. Very nice design. It helps you in the field when you're having feed problems, you can't figure it out. Just change the whole thing. Great way to do it. So this is Brian Joe bringing you another Parts Now Tech Tip.